just a little update from Cedar Point, and we got some Valravn track in place. Let's zoom in, take a look. I think that's part of the station, brake run, or storage area. I'm not quite sure. But you can see the tires on top there to move the trains forward or backward. But yeah, we have track in place. And other than that, there's not much to look at. I'll take a look to the side here. And I'm going to try to get a different angle for you guys. Hold on. Alright, here's a different angle. Alright, just want to give you a quick look. Who's excited for Valravn? Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Hey guys, look what I found. Valravn track. And that's a wrap from Cedar Point. See ya.